So Jim from Jim's Kitchen and Mindy from Slice of Life are hosting an open collaboration. So I'm going to contribute to their hashtag baconfanclub collaboration. I'll be making Hawaiian bacon and pineapple breakfast bake. So what all goes into the Hawaiian bacon and pineapple breakfast bake? 8 large eggs, 2 cups 2% milk, all I have is whole milk, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon ground mustard, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup crumbled cooked bacon, about 14 slices, and I think this is only 12 slices, 1 cup cubed fully cooked ham, 3/4 cup pineapple tidbits, 1 package 12 ounces of sweet Hawaiian dinner rolls cut into 1-inch cubes, and 1/2 cup coarsely crushed French fried onions. So let's begin. First thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So take a baking sheet that has a rim. You don't want the grease to spill over into the bottom of your oven. Take a piece of aluminum foil for easy cleanup. Then if you have an oven-proof baking rack, put that on top and then lightly spray with cooking spray the baking rack. Then arrange the bacon in a single layer on the baking rack. That way the bacon can drip down below and it won't soak in its own grease. And I got all of them on there. There's 11 pieces of bacon. So if you just have 1 tray of bacon, put it in the center rack of your oven. If you have 2 trays because you have a bigger batch, put 1 in the upper third of your oven and the second one in the lower third of your oven. So put your bacon in a 400-degree preheated oven for 12 to 20 minutes depending on the desired doneness. I'm going to check mine in 15 minutes. I'm going to want mine fairly done since it's going to be crumbled. So this is what it looks like after 25 minutes in the oven. You want to immediately put them on paper towel lined plates. This is to help prevent them from getting soggy. And we want them as crispy as possible to make the crumbles. So then I'm going to take a paper towel and press down and get whatever's left of the grease out. And we'll let them cool and then we'll crumble them up. So now that we've got the bacon all crumbled up, we can continue on. You want to take a 13 by 9 pan and spray it with non-stick cooking spray, which I've already done. Take a large bowl, and I'm hoping that is big enough. Take your 8 eggs and put them in the bowl. Now you really need to go check out Mindy at Slice of Life and Jim from Jim's Kitchen. They are both really good channels. I really like them both as people as well as their content. Jim's so funny, and Mindy, she is so sweet. I'll leave their links down below. And if you like bacon, you need to check out all of the bacon recipes for Bacon Fan Club. Then you want to put your 2 cups of milk in there and the 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce and whisk that up. Then take your 1 teaspoon of ground mustard and whisk that in as well. And we take our 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and dump in there, and our 1 cup of cheddar cheese and dump in there. and stir that in. And then dump in the bacon and the ham and the pineapple tidbits. And I didn't know whether I was supposed to drain it or not, so I got most of the juice out of there. Hopefully I didn't need the juice. And then stir that in there. Then take your sweet Hawaiian dinner rolls that have been cubed up and put them in the mix and stir them very gently. And like I said, tomorrow is the actual bacon day, but we have to let this set overnight and we'll have it for breakfast in the morning. Okay, and carefully stir that till it's all saturated. Alright, so that looks pretty good. And then you'll pour it into the prepared 13 by 9 pan. And then spread it out until it's nice and even. And there you have it. It is ready to go in the refrigerator. We'll leave it into the refrigerator overnight. First thing in the morning I'll get up and we will throw it in the oven and finish it up tomorrow. Good morning. So today is International Bacon Day, December 30th, and we will continue on with my contribution, which is Hawaiian bacon and pineapple breakfast bake. First thing you need to do, preheat your oven to 350. While your oven is preheating, take out your breakfast bake and let it kind of warm up just a little bit before we put it in the oven. So put your Hawaiian bacon and pineapple breakfast bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for 35 to 45 minutes, taking it out halfway through to add the French fried onions. Alright, so it's at the halfway mark. We'll add our French fried onions on the top. And this was a half a cup of coarsely crushed French fried onions. And we'll stick it back into the oven for about another 19 minutes. I just took it out of the oven. It's been 37 minutes. You can check to see if it's done by sticking a knife in the center if it comes out clean. So next we will let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to let it set up so it can retain its shape when you serve it. So here is the Hawaiian bacon and pineapple breakfast bake, and rounding out the meal is toast and jelly. We'll get Dave to do a taste test.
That's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.